Hello FIFA Free Education for all subscribers and fellow YouTubers. Welcome to another great video, and in today's video, if you're a regular subscriber of the channel or if you're a member of our channel, you'll know that recently I have been making a number of purchases and I've been building my own little Nike collection of trainers. Today I have just purchased these. These are the Nike MX-720-818 trainers, and if you guys know me, you'll know I'm a size 9, so I thought I'll make an unboxing video. And here they are. These have just been released by Nike, so straight away I went to the shop and got my own pair. Now, as you can see, the stitching is very nice. You can see the price, £165 in the UK, and yeah, you can see here that once again Nike have done a fantastic job. The brand new Nike trainers, and as you can see, nicely designed. I like the material that's on the side, like the shoelaces. And then if I have a look, you can see a UK size 10, made in Vietnam, and gives you some more details. And if I put my hand through, you can see they're very comfortable. And I like the part here where it says MX-720-818, and then you've got the second pair. You've got a little hook at the back, so if you're putting on the trainers, it gives you a little bit of aid. And you've got the nice swoosh sticker on the side. Remember, these are £165, give you extra comfort. I thought I'd make an unboxing video because it's been a while. Got a little hook there as well, and standard packaging from Nike. So this is how they look, and I'm gonna put these on and then make another video and tell you how they feel, the look and feel. But the 720 is nicely designed, nicely made, very popular with the Nike fans. Nice and soft. So there you go, guys. I thought, as promised, I'll make a video for you all, an unboxing video of my brand new Nike trainers, which I've just purchased. This is 720s in black. So guys, if you want to see some more unboxing videos, if you want to see more entertaining videos, then please do click on the subscribe button. We bring you a brand new video every single day, so don't miss any of our uploads. Click on the subscribe button, and if you haven't done so already, become a member of our channel by clicking the join button, and I shall see you on the next one. Keep building your brands, keep making your videos, and please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.